has evolved from simple circuits to sophisticated smart grids and renewable energy solutions. Early pioneers like Faraday, Edison, and Tesla laid the foundation for modern electrical systems. Tesla's AC power system allowed electricity to be transmitted over long distances efficiently. The invention of the transistor replaced vacuum tubes, enabling the miniaturization of electronic devices. Semiconductors and microprocessors revolutionized computing, making complex functions compact and accessible. Advances in battery technology, especially lithium-ion, have transformed portable electronics and electric vehicles. Smart grids optimize energy distribution and consumption through real-time digital communication and automation. The rise of renewable energy sources is revolutionizing electrical grids and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Innovations in wireless power transfer could eliminate the need for traditional power cables. Energy-efficient technologies, like LED lighting, help reduce overall electricity demand and carbon emissions. Green manufacturing practices are helping electrical manufacturers reduce their environmental impact. The adoption of circular economy principles is promoting durability and recyclability in electrical products. Solar power advancements make photovoltaic technology more affordable and efficient for various applications. Modern wind turbines generate significant electricity, even in remote or offshore locations. Advanced energy storage solutions, like flow batteries, enhance the reliability of renewable energy sources. AI-driven grid management systems predict demand and optimize power distribution to prevent blackouts. AI algorithms enable real-time optimization of energy consumption in smart homes and industrial settings. Predictive maintenance powered by AI helps reduce downtime and improve reliability in electrical systems. The integration of AI into electrical technology is driving smarter and more efficient energy solutions. Future trends in electrical technology, including AI and renewable energy, offer exciting opportunities for innovation.